Ich habe letztens gesehen, the Feig Brothers spielen bei Simcha, and I was blown away. I found out the address where they play at night sometimes, where they get together in the studio. Ich muss ein Pusche basichen. I want to get into the Pidem vibe. Oh, man hört schon the music. The music spielt schon, the guys are rocking away. It's popping in. Lass mal sehen. Oile me du. Shloimy Meilich Moshe. That's it. You guys rock the house. What should I tell you guys? Ich habe gesehen mal, nachdem wir Shebroch ein paar Wochen zurück. It was just beautiful, gorgeous. Push to say Brothers, zwei Brothers spielen zusammen. It's just beautiful. I had to come see Lamas in the studio. How you guys warm up for the jobs.
Yeah.
Looks like this is where the magic happens, huh?
Listen, we tried.
Wow. Wie lange zurückkommen in ungeheuer die zusammen to play, to do this stuff?
Das haben Brüder noch alles, ja.
Two brothers.
Zum angefangen zu nehmen Jobs. Mine basically, man just angefangen riefen, so.
I'm a Rief Kipman.
That's it.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, so I saw you by Shebroch. Was ist das? Welche?
So, mit dit also wie das gesagt, Shebroch is bei mitzvahs. CM's Kumsitz lately very popular, especially by the end von Shebroch, so that became.
Sagst du, also Kumsitz?
Ja, der Gusten mit seinen friends.
Nice. Na, schick an I get the clip von dem, was liegen auf der Video du.
We can definitely upside schicken do.
Ja, Kumsitz situation. Nice.
Ja, das was nicht. Ja.
Beautiful. Wow. Listen, ich habe auch da reingekommen in der Pidem Vibe, du. This is the right place. Music it is. The Feig Brothers.
Music mit
Shiny studio, by the way. Beautiful, nice studio. So this is where you guys jam it up, huh?
Ja, das ist wo du warm sich gewoon von der Sache.
Nice. Okay, nie Shloimy, wie ich gehe und wie ich stehe. Even if I pop into people. Random. Es kommt a promotion. Wherever I go. Darf ich was machen, du. Jobs. Du in Book, wo was the promotion hat.
Alright, 10% that is.
10%?
For a minute, nicht von der ganzen Leben.
Für wen bis wenn?
David's book for jetzt, but Spicer is 10% off.
Okay, that's you have your phones ready? Du hast to call.
I'm ready.
What's the number to call?
My number is 347-585-6513.
And it's one phone call and you pull up with your brother together.
That's it,
Yeah.
Nice.
But this is my number and I'll call them.
So how it gets. So the oil called the haram.
That's it.
And I love the fact that it's a phone call away. The zwei Brothers pull up and you have the event on the next level.
That's it.
Chabano, the Feig Brothers. Okay, let's go. Give me one more nigging. I'm sorry, Pidem vibe nigging farm I got.
No.
You ready? Let's go figure it out. Let's go. Give it to me. A one.
Okay,
Can I call the 1, 2? I'm always jealous of those conductors. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2. You ready? Ich bin ein Conductor. Ich will start mit der Kamera, mit der Stecken und der Hand der Conductor. Okay, I'm gonna call it, guys. Okay, you ready?
You're ready.
Moshe Shloimy. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go. Meilich in Pirem, Shkoye, Shkoye.